Hi, this is Ogi with 4K Shooters and I'm at BVE 2018. I'm here with Ossie from Prolight. They're a distributor of Aladdin lights and also many other brands. So he'll kind of go over a few of the newer products that Aladdin have at the show.
Okay, so the new product this year from Aladdin is the FABRIC-LITE. The FABRIC-LITE, unlike the regular Aladdin, which was just flexible, this one is also foldable. So if we have a look down here, I can fold this light, fold it again, and fold it in. So this is a 3x3 light that's completely portable. This would fit into your backpack and you could take it wherever you want to. When you arrive on location, just unfold it and you're away. Has a nice little dimmer. At the moment we've got it connected into a battery, showing that it can be operated by battery. One little switch on the side. And I know it's probably difficult to get it on the camera now with the intensity, but I'm just going to put it right down low so you can see it. But it's a bi-color fixture. Daylight to tungsten, and super bright, and utmostly super flexible and super portable. So when most people use this light, we put it into a frame. So the frame that it comes with is here on the left. Very lightweight, goes into any stand. The light just clips onto the frame. We have a diffuser, and we also have a grid which is in here. I can get this out later and show you how it fits on. So as I was saying, the Aladdin FABRIC-LITE fits into a frame. As you can see, this is just a FABRIC-LITE inside here. Small tubular frame that breaks down into a small bag. Put the diffuser on. And you've got a nice, beautiful soft light. If you need control, we also have a grid. This will give you control of your light. So it's a full-on professional soft light. And the beauty about this light, it all fits into one small lightweight carry case. So if you're flying abroad or just traveling in your own car, it looks like a big light, but it will pack away nice and small. So this will all fit into one small case. This case here, the whole light breaks down into the case, frame, diffuser, grid, light, power supply, and dimmer. And you can also put a battery in here if you need it.
Excellent.
Case, carry it around, stick it in the back of your car, even take it on the tube, and you've got a massive, great big soft light.
Can you give us an idea of pricing, availability, of whether everything comes with a kit or you can buy things separate?
You can buy it separately, but generally we recommend people to buy it in the kit. In this kit you get the frame, the diffuser, the light itself, the dimmer, and the power supply. All this is around £2,500. At the show we're doing a special discount for anyone at the BSC show or the BVE show for $2,300.
Okay, that's impressive. And the availability of this product?
In stock now. If you order it today, you get it 24 hours later.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Ossie. Appreciate it. And we'll be back more with more videos from BVE 2018.